Hi, my name's Crystal and I'm the founder of Teamotions. And in this video series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make 3 of my favorite Teamotions iced tea recipes. I hope you enjoy and let me know how much you love them after you make them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the passion fruit coconut fizz. This drink is super easy. There's only 3 ingredients and only one of them you have to make yourself. So we start with our fine strength tea that I cold brewed. All you do for cold brewing is mix your tea and your water together, stick it in the refrigerator overnight, and then strain out the leaves the next day so that you're just left with the liquid and you can use this. Again, I'm using fine strength, which is our passion fruit jasmine green tea, and I'm mixing it with some passion fruit juice and some coconut sparkling water. So what we do is we just start with a cup of ice. And then I add everything in equal parts. So for this cup, I'm gonna just do a little less than half a cup of all the ingredients. So we'll start with our fine strength tea. So there's 2 passion fruit juices that I like. Passion fruit juice can be a little bit hard to find in maybe just a regular supermarket, but I found these at Cost Plus World Market, which I also know you can order them online. So I like to use this Hawaiian Sun passion fruit juice. Comes in a can. This is great for if you're trying to just make this drink single serve for yourself. I think you can maybe get even like 3 servings out of this. Or I absolutely love this passion fruit juice. Again, I got this from Cost Plus World Market. But this is a huge container, so maybe this would be great if you're gonna create like a pitcher of this for multiple people. And then again, we'll just add a little less than half a cup here. And then I have coconut LaCroix. So do a little less than half a cup of this, add it in. And then something I like to do that is fun and adds a little bit of tang is at Whole Foods or maybe some other supermarkets, you can get these little frozen cubes of passion fruit juice. And I just like to throw in maybe, I don't know, 5 into my drink. And then just give it a stir. And there you go. You have the most delicious passion fruit coconut fizz. Cheers.